Hi Neo, one of the days that I look forward to is every Tuesdays and Saturdays kasi yun yung mga araw na nakakabisita kami sa'yo at nakikita ka namin. With all the pressure during the week sa trabaho, pagtulong sa mga tao, it's a relief, it's such a refreshing atmosphere na nakakasama ka namin. Thank you for always being accommodating and inspiring people and making my friends happy with the songs that we sing and with the friendship that we have opened. Sana'y lumaki pa at ang iyong pamilya, yung Neowers at yung Kindly Neo. At sana dumami pa ang mga taong makakarinig ng iyong boses at ma-inspire sa bawat kantang iyong kakantahin sa kanila. Happy birthday and more blessings. Love you.
Happy birthday, Leo! Ang ingay. Ayun, enjoy your day. May God bless you for this year. And ayun, enjoy. Smile ka lang palagi. Andito lang kami written for you. Yeah. Ayun, ingat ka palagi. God bless you. Happy birthday.
All the way from Cebu. Happy birthday sa'yo and wish ko lang more gigs and more projects. We're just here to support you and tsaka excited ako mag-10 birthdays. See you!
Uy, Neo! Happy birthday! Ilang taong ka na? Wish you all the best, good health, great career. Sana magbumpay ang pagiging singer mo. Good luck. God bless.
Aring Neo, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Sana masaya ka sa araw na to. Wish you all the best, lalo-lalo na sa career mo. Dito lang kami palagi at hindi kami magsasawang suportahan ka. Happy birthday. See you this weekend.
Happy birthday, Neo. I wish you all the best. Keep up the good work. We love you.
More moments with you for us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Neo. From Teen, Kukay, and ang pangalan nito? Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Will I come with you up on my feet? Will your mouth still remember the taste of love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till